going to meet up and go to a cafe near them, but their language is different. First is Emma, Japanese speaking. Second, Yuna, English speaking. And lastly, Leia, Chinese speaking.
Let's get coffee.
Married? What's going on?
Oh, coffee, not marriage.
I'd like a croissant.
Why? You want wishes?
No, croissant.
After a while of drinking coffee and eating pasty while talking together, they decided to say goodbye to each other.
I'm tired.
Okay, let's go.
They use simple strategies like repairing, correcting mistakes. Traffic control is one of the important strategies in this conversation because it helps to understand what others say. Turn taking, talking one at